Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker setup unknown error in Windows. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Head over to the link in the description below. Once you're on the page, scroll down to choose either the 32-bit or 64-bit version. To find out which version you need, head over to search, type in system information and click on it. Under system type, it will tell you if you're on 64-bit or 32-bit. In my case, I am on 64-bit, so I am downloading the 64-bit version. If it shows 32-bit or x86, download the 32-bit version instead. Once you have selected the right version, click download. After downloading, open the file and finish installation. Once installation is finished, you have to restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, the issue should be fixed. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.